Before alarm clocks became household items, industrial Britain relied on knocker-uppers to jolt people awake each morning by shooting peas at their windows. Imagine relying on a stranger with a long stick or a pea shooter to ensure you weren't late for work. These early morning wakers roamed the foggy streets, tapping on glass panes or launching dried peas with precision to stir factory workers from their slumber. Paid just a few pence a week, these human alarms were essential in an age where punctuality was critical for keeping the wheels of industry turning. The job wasn't without its quirks. Knocker-uppers had to remember each client's specific wake-up time and often braved harsh weather or angry clients who wanted just a few more minutes of sleep. This peculiar profession faded with the rise of mechanical timekeepers, but for a time, it was the sound of peas and taps that signaled the start of a new day in bustling industrial towns.